Hi, my name is Emma. I work in marketing, and I was always very busy over the past, I don't know how many years, running around, just ticking things off of my list all the time, what it felt like. And I was really tired. At some point, I just couldn't take it anymore. In terms of my personal life, I was also in a very bad place, and suddenly I was feeling very vulnerable and overwhelmed by everything. And really, I just needed a place where I could go, get away from everything and everyone and disconnect. My work is related to being a lot online, and that had been really draining. And so I just wanted to get away from everything. However, I'm also the kind of person who wants to make use of things. You know, I knew I needed to take some time off, but I didn't want to just, when I decided I was going to do it, I didn't want to just like go away in the middle of nowhere and just do nothing. I wanted to make the best of it. And I guess this is why I really chose a mindful escape, because really you get everything that you can wish for all in one. Actually, I got more because I didn't really understand just how much is included in it. But here you get amazing nature. It's gorgeous around here. I don't think that the photos can really give you a good idea of just how beautiful it is. So you can reconnect with nature and also find that peace and quiet that you desperately need, or that I needed anyway.